Why do 70% of dropshippers struggle with Facebook ads? The answer might surprise you. First things first, choose the right objective. Are you aiming for traffic, conversions, or brand awareness? Be clear about your goal from the get-go. Next, let's talk about targeting. Facebook's detailed targeting lets you zero in on your ideal customers. Use demographics, interests, and behaviors to laser focus your ads. And don't forget about lookalike audiences. They're gold. Now, on to the fun part, crafting scroll-stopping creatives. Your ad needs to stand out in a sea of content. Think eye-catching images, engaging videos, and compelling copy. Make them stop, click, and buy. Finally, don't just set it and forget it. Test different ad sets, monitor performance, and optimize constantly. Small tweaks can lead to big gains. Ready to boost your dropshipping sales? Start your winning Facebook ad campaign today. Need expert help? Check the description for details. Let's turn those clicks into profits.